Welcome again to Dreaming Style. My dear all viewers, I hope you all doing well. So in today's video, we are presenting you the most trendy and most beautiful pixie haircuts ideas. A pixie cut is a short hairstyle and usually short on the back and sides of the head and slightly longer on the top, with very short bangs. It's a variant of crop. The name is derived from the mythological pixie. So here in this video, all hairstyles are pixie haircuts, which is very trendy and very low maintenance and easy to carry hairstyles, a pixie haircuts. So I hope you all will like this video, because if you are a pixie hairstyle lover, then this video is especially for you. So if you really like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then you will get the latest videos notifications. Viewers, pixie cut is a short haircut for women celebrities such as Emma Watson, Jennifer Lawrence and Miley Cyrus all rock the pixie cuts. So if your face cut is resemble like them, then you can carry these type of pixie cuts. And viewers, the pixie cut is described as a woman's short hairstyle in which the hair is cropped in layers, typically so as to create a slightly tousled effect. And in this video, you will see pixie cut for girls, pixie cut, long pixie cut, and men's style pixie cut, and many more styles of pixie cuts. Viewers, short pixie cuts have defining characteristics that still allow for variability. Cropped sides and back paired with a longer interior and the basic element. And generally short on the back and size of the head and slightly longer on the top, called pixie cut. Viewers, I hope you will definitely like this video, and I hope you will support us, and please hit the bell icon, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.